I just bought at 287.60. Feel like we could go a little bit lower first, but I do think we'll get a new high. So I think 10 cents is safe, and if we get below the actual breakout bar and reverse the entire breakout, then my premise is invalid. There may still be buyers in this area, but my premise to get up to this target would be invalidated. I also don't plan on letting my stop get hit, so if it doesn't look right, I'll exit early. Okay, this breakout so far is strong enough to make me think I should get out break even. So I'll move my target to break even. So now I'll try to get out here at break even. If not, I'm risking about 30 cents, which is not bad. So I actually just exited right there at 287.48. So I took a 12-cent loss. I was just thinking about what I said in an earlier video. Like, it looks like it's working out now, but these two bear bars, like the second bear bar, is not what I expected. So I don't think it's necessary for me to hope it gets back up to my break-even price, because the alternative is that I lose 33 cents or whatever I was risking. And at that point, I'm just hoping. I'm hoping it goes up to my break-even price before stopping me out. So based on my analysis and my premise, seeing the second breakout bar is not what I was looking for. So there's no reason for me to be in the trade anymore. And I have this aversion to getting out with a small loss, and I shouldn't. So in this, I tried to practice that. And in this scenario, I thought the second bear bar is not what I was looking for, and it's okay to take a small loss and just exit right away instead of hoping for it to get me out break even. And so that's what I did. I took a 12-cent loss, and now I'll follow up to see what happens next. It looks like we did end up getting up to a new high, which was my initial premise when I bought here. It didn't get down to my stop loss level, and it did allow me to get out break even. Well, it would have allowed me to get out break even, and it went up to my initial profit target. But I'm not unhappy with the way I managed the trade. I think it's important for me to practice getting out with a small loss when I feel like my premise, based on my plan, my premise was invalidated. And so I think that's a good habit to practice, is that once I feel like my premise is invalidated, just exit and don't hope for a break even. Now, that being said, what I do need to figure out is if my analysis was correct in the first place. So was this second breakout bar to the downside, was that enough for me to abandon my premise? And that's what I need to figure out. So essentially what I'm saying is I'm okay with how I executed my plan. Now I need to figure out if my plan is actually accurate. We're getting a decent breakout here of this bull flag. I'm going to take a chance that it continues down for 10 more cents. I should already have this order out, but I don't. I'm short at 286.97, so my order should be at 87. Again, I should have that order out early. It should be an automated order, or I should have it saved. It touched my order, and now it's reversing up. I'll have to see how the bar closes. Okay, I'll give it this one more chance here. Okay, just gonna get out break even. Alright, just got out break even. That kind of sucks because it was a cent away. And here it looks like it is getting down to my target. And just got there. So 2 targets hit today, but no winning trades for me. So I'll have to look in. This one I've already discussed. This one I could have maybe exited as it bounced above my order a couple times and didn't get there. I could have exited here during this bar. And the second adjustment is maybe this breakout was strong enough that I shouldn't have been scared out by the tail and should have just stayed in.